What up? What's good? All right. What's up, boys? Guys, we still got one spot left in this first break. Anybody who wants it here, let me know. $30 a random conference. One spot left in number 33. It's still on the site. So if you want in, go snag it. D-Luck, what up? Guys, 3 more NBA Contenders single box random team breaks have been added to the site. $20 a random team. So 3 more boxes were just added to the site. $20 a random team on Contenders basketball. Caleb, what up, brother? And we got Prizm Draft single box random conference breaks. $30 a random conference. 33 is one spot away from being full. So $33 has one spot. So one spot left in the first Prizm break. I didn't see it. Yeah, didn't come through. All right, go ahead and let me make sure no one grabbed it off the site, bro. Sween, yeah. oneofOneCardShop.com. You can check out what breaks we have right now. Yeah, Gordon, it's still on the site. If you want to just grab it through the site, makes it easier. Yeah, $30. Unless Noah's in here, he could take it off, and then you could just directly PayPal. But it's easier. See Holly. That's going tonight. Tonight with Noah. He'll be breaking that tonight. That will be later on with the Virgin. Gordon, someone bought 33. So 34 and 35 are up, though. Yeah, Rice-A-Roni, kid, you're in. I got you. Yeah, you grabbed it a minute ago, right? I was just about to take it off the site for Gordon. Gordon, it just got sniped ahead of you, buddy. But 34 and 35 are open. Monty, I'm trying, buddy. Hi, babe. What's up? On your other account, you freak. There's 9 spots. All right. 33 is going first. Here we go. 33 is full. Yeah, Gordon, I just went to take it off the site, and Rice-A-Roni snagged it up. So 34 and 35 are available. $30 a random conference, guys. Do the names, don't do the conference. All right, 2 dice. 6 times, guys. We're going to use that for the names and the conference. 1, 2, how many was it? 6. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final 6. Jam lock on the bottom up to max. Guys, like I said, college football, not my thing. So Yeah, Jared, I have no idea what's going on, buddy. So I have a list, so hopefully that'll help us out. 6 times. One. We'll see. We'll do this together, guys. 3. If Noah's in here, he can help. 4, 5, 6th and final 6. I don't even know who you want. I know the ACC. That's about it. I got a list to the right with the names and shit. Noah put a little cheat sheet for me. So, Max, you got the Big Ten West. Chad with the SEC East. Lee Vang, Big Ten East. D-Luck, Big 12. Caleb with Other. 808 is Aloha, Pac 12. Jared, SEC West. The Rice-A-Roni, LSU. And Jamlock, ACC. All right. Sween, it's on the site. oneofonecardshop.com. Guys, here's like a little cheat sheet, I guess. I mean, is an idea of who you're looking for. So 34 and 35 are on the site, guys. Still some spots left. $30 a random division. Like I said, this stuff went up, so I'll try and just the autos. I'm not going to do every fucking card. Yeah, Noah's a stud, dude. Wouldn't be able to do it without him. Yeah. Yeah, he got LSU. LSU, that's it, baby. Chicken Burrows. Yeah, he's 100% a virgin. We throwing a lip. 100%. Poor kid, never seen a snatch, but it's all right. We'll get him there. He turned 15 this year, so we could show him one. Johnny, what up? Kid, what is going on with my dip right now? Alright. Stress relief. Because I'm going to be stressed out. Oh, man. Don't tell me. Yeah, Gordon, I went to take it off, bro. I went to take it off the site, and Rice-A-Roni swooped in, kid. All right, Prizm Draft 33. Guys, 34-35 on the site. Along with Contenders 19-20 basketball. $20 a random team. This is $30 a random conference. Packs are always all over the place in this fucking thing. Jesus, dude. Where are they? You shitting me? Look at this. Oh, there we go. Falling out and everything. Jesus Christ. Alright. There we go. No clue what's going on. Nice TB Virgin on the front. All right. Jerry Judy. Judge Judy. Jeff Okuda, Ohio State. It's Ohio State. I don't even know who Ohio State is. That's Big Ten, isn't it? Big Ten East. Like what? Brady. Nick Chubb. Amari Cooper. Madison. Brian Lewerke, Michigan State. To 199. Van Jefferson for Florida, the Gators. That's SEC West, right? Yep. SEC West. It's going to Jared. SEC East, sorry. SEC East, dude, see? Jared, I'm sorry. Let's go to Chad. It's going to be rough, dude. This is going to be rough. Yep. Boys, I know. I told you, conferences, this is reckless, dude. Reckless. Good thing it's only fucking 5 packs. Oh. All right, Chase Young. Stanley. Sorry, brother. Chris Carson. Oh, that's sick. Tony Pollard. 75. Yeah, no idea. Isaiah Simmons, that's ACC. I know Clemson. To 99. Omar Bayless. Nice auto, buddy. I mean, I don't even know from the logo who the fuck that is. Arkansas State. Is he? I couldn't tell you. Omar Bayless. I know Simmons. Yeah, Simmons is a beast. I don't watch college, dude. Oh, here we go. The lights are out. I don't watch college. That's in the fucking top load. I'm a mess today, dude. I'm all fucked up. I'm all flustered. Doing this fucking fake product. I don't even know what it is. Arkansas State. Dude. Looks like Arkansas State is other. Yeah, Simmons is ACC. Clemson's ACC. I know that. Arkansas State? It's a fake fucking school. Colton only knows about it because he's from there. Say hello at him. Yeah, it's other. See, I need someone in here like that just knows what's up. Yeah. Dude, you're telling me I'm ripping it. I have no clue what's going on. Debo Samuel, 199. Dude, I'm a fucking huge football guy, and I don't know what's going on. Darrington Evans. What's up, buddy? This is going to be so fun to sort, dude. Oh, my Lord. Done, yeah. 34, 30, 35 are on the site. If you guys want in. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to sort it all after. Christian McCaffrey, $2.99. Isaiah Simmons again. To 49. Wow. Anthony McFarlane. Dude, Jamlock, tell me I'm not gonna. I am. I mean, that's Maryland. But some of them you can't tell what team either. Like, oh, believe me, I will. 100%. Yeah, I knew that was Maryland. That's a nice Simmons. McCaffrey. Show me a Joe Chicken Burrow. Moss. Brissett. Ooh, that's nice. Danny Dimes, 149. Jerry Jeudy, and your last auto for Michigan, Sean McKeon. Reckless, dude. Madison. Check. No. It was one of those, like, team color things. Alright. Big Ten East was Michigan. Yeah, sorry, guys. This just isn't my fucking cup of tea, boys. Duke, Daniel Jones. That's ACC. All right, that was number 33, guys. Van Jefferson, McKeon, Isaiah Simmons, McFarland, Evans, Tony Pollard. That's the 75. Simmons, 99. And Omar Bayless. So let's go through the autos. All right. Florida is ACC. No, not ACC. What am I saying? SEC East, right? SEC East. Michigan is Big Ten East. ACC. Maryland. Where's Maryland? Big Ten East. Yeah. Yeah, Kyle, if you want a personal, they're on the site. Evans, which is a fake school. Do you guys have any idea? Yeah, one box, yep. It's not the Sun Devils, right? Is it Appalachian State? Okay, Appalachian State. Other. Memphis. I think that's other. Memphis is other. Yep. ACC. And that's other also, Arkansas State. Baseball Graphs knows his fucking conferences, dude. Arkansas State is other also. Jesus. Too many conferences, dude. Yeah. Yeah, Colton knows this shit too. I don't do college stuff. ACC is the only conference I know. Word. All right. 34 has 7 left, guys. If you want in 34, 35 also has 7 left, I believe. So those are on the site. $30 a random division conference. Okay, so there's one more on the site. All right, we're only doing 34, guys. So 34 is on the site. Oh, really? 34 is what I'm on. Pristine, what up, brother? So 34 is what I'm on. That's on the site right now. There's 7 spots left. Contenders 4, 5, and 6 also on the site, guys. Those will probably run tomorrow. I'm going to go live tomorrow, so. The number 4 is about a little less than halfway full. Let me check right now. I'll check again. Yeah, we'll do that in a minute. Give me one sec. If anybody wants personals of that stuff, let me know. 3 already ripped, JTNY. We hit a Kyle Guy vinyl 101. Were you in that one? Let me see. JTNY. Yeah, you weren't in number 3. On the site, oneofOneCardShop.com. OneofOneCardShop.com. Let me check Contenders, see what's going on. Yeah, there's only 7 sold on number 4, guys. Alright, guys, so 34. There's 7 left. Yeah, you're in 4. Yeah, that'll probably run tomorrow. It's not even close to full. Because we did 1, 2, and 3. Let me have Noah take that off the site, guys, and then we'll just live fill this last one of the day. Guys, anyone wants a personal of this? Today only. It's going to go up tomorrow. They're only $175. They're $220 on blowout. So these are $175 today. They're $220 on blowout. Randy, what's up, buddy? How's it going? So anyone wants a personal of this stuff, let me know. Jeff, what'd you jump in? You jumped in 34. All right, 6 left in 34, guys. 6 left. Yeah, Kyle, I'm going to pull it up. I'm trying to get Noah in here to pull it off the site. Yeah, nothing else is coming out, dude. So, all right, Jeff Pauley's in. All right, we got 6 left, guys, at number 34. All right, it's off the site. Yeah, anybody wants a personal of it, I have a bunch of boxes, guys. It's going to go up tomorrow, I'm telling you right now. Yeah, we're going to live fill it. Yep. All right, Kyle, you want 2 spots. I got you. Guys, 30 per. 30 per. Only 4 left. Yep. I'm going to drop PayPal for you guys. Make sure to send to that one. Baseball graphs, I got you. Justin. 2 spots left, guys. $30 per, guys. Make sure you send goods. 2 to a 175. They're $220 on blowout right now, dude. So today's the last day they're going to be this cheap. 1 spot left, guys. Random Conference. Last one of the day. I'll run some personals after this if you guys want personals of it. Tomorrow we'll do the basketballs. All right, Caleb. Word. I'll check in a minute. One spot left, guys. Anybody want in? $30 random conference. One spot left. $2. They're on the site if you want a personal, buddy. $175 on the site. Like I said, that's gonna go up. I know for a fact. It's $220 on blowout. Yeah, 35. Probably go tomorrow. Oh, D-Lock, he moved you into 34. You're right there, buddy. Because you were the only one that... Yeah, he just asked. Look at that. Got you. Swain, send to the PayPal below, please, brother. Make sure it is goods and services. All right, we're full. $30, guys. $30. All right, let me check payment. It's $220 on blowout already. It's only $175 for personal right now. So he's probably gonna match blowout, free shipping. So I didn't get anybody yet. Baseball, you said you sent? Did you send to the wrong PayPal, buddy? Or did you pay on fillers? Yeah, if anybody wants a personal, make sure you grab it today. Keep saying it's going to go up. So why isn't it loading? PayPal is not refreshing. 1 second. What the fuck, dude? You guys sent to this PayPal, right? It's not showing up yet. It's probably delayed. Shit always happens. Yep, nothing. Yeah. Done. Yeah, this is the last one of the day. It just filled. Yeah, nothing's coming through, guys. It's probably just delayed. Just give it a minute. Last payment I got was like 10 minutes ago, which doesn't seem right because payment's linked to this site also. See, I got Sweeney. He came through, but none of you guys did. So we'll give it a few minutes. Not a big deal. Yeah, maybe something happened. Sween, I got you. You're in. Yeah, no one else is coming up. Very weird. Just waiting on Justin, Caleb, Janlock, and Kyle. I know you guys are all good, so just waiting on it to come through. Come on, you fuck. Still nothing. Yeah, still nothing, guys. I don't know. What is going on, dude? Prizm draft. If anybody wants a personal, like I said, it's only $175 today. It's gonna go up. It's $220 on blowout. Yeah, it's still not coming up. Just give it a few minutes, guys. I'm not going nowhere. So $175 for a personal, guys. I have like 12 boxes left, so it's gonna go up after today. Kyle, I don't need a screenshot. I know all of you sent. I just gotta wait till it comes through. All three of you are good. I know that. These are $175, Thomas. They're $220 on blowout right now. They went up today. They're gonna go up, boys. Snag them while you can. I'm telling you. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's happening. Still nothing. I should fucking log out and log back in, maybe. Let's try that. That's weird. Sweeney's came in. No one else. There they are. Caleb and Kyle just came through. Just waiting on Justin and Jamlock. So yeah, PayPal must be fucked. That's so weird, dude. And they came in that they paid before Sweeney. What is going on, dude? Sweeney's was the only one that showed up. And then, like, just now, Caleb and Kyle showed up. So I'm not lying to you guys. So just waiting on Justin and Jam. What the fuck are they doing up there, dude? Oh my god, bro. Really? Fucking doing the whole kitchen over. See you later. Justin just popped up. Just waiting on Jam and we're good. Wow, PayPal's toast, boys. Yeah, dude, I don't know what's happening. It's crazy. Justin's payment showing came in before Sweeney, too. Just PayPal's being wicked slow, dude. Anybody wants a personal, $175 a box, $220 on blowout. I've said it a million times. I'm going to keep saying it because it's going to go up. So nah, Gypsy Queen, I'm good. Got rid of those 2 cases and I was fucking done with that stuff. No more of that shit. What the fuck, dude? I'll give it one more minute. If it doesn't go through, I'll just run it. I really don't care. He jam locks in enough shit. Alright, guys. Anything goes in the dice, 2 dice. 10 times. Names and conferences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's all good. 8, 9. I'm going 10. 10th and final. Bang. Jam lock up to Kyle. Ten times on the conferences, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big Ten West up to SEC East. Kyle, SEC East. Sween, Big Ten East. Jeff, Pac-12. Caleb, LSU. Earley with the Big 12 D-Luck Other. Kyle with SEC West. Justin, ACC. Jamlock, Big Ten West. Was. What the fuck, dude? Couldn't tell you what they're doing up there, dude. We're gonna pull a borrow. I haven't hit one yet. In this case, we haven't hit a borrow auto. Hit some color, but no auto. I hate how they package these, dude. 5 packs. All right. Here we go. Good luck. You guys know the conferences better than me, so. Pittman, Breland, Stidham, Debo, Bosa. Marquise Brown, $2.99 for Oklahoma. A.J. Dillon, and to $199, Tony Brown, Colorado. A.J. Dillon, numbered. Marquise Brown on $2.99. Emerald, if you want a personal, they're on the site. Yeah, Colorado's other. Actually, know that. They're not in one of those big conferences. Andrews, Henry, Kyla. It's AJ to 49. Bryce Hall, and to 199. Mitchell Wilcox, South Florida. You guys call it out. You guys know better than me, guys. I feel like other hits a lot. Claypool, Lamar, Eckler, Terry Bradshaw, Elway. 75 to 199. Jermichael Hasty, Baylor. DeAndre Swift, that's to 199, Georgia. Elway, 75. Matos, Ruggs, Rogers, Bosa, Godwin, Christian McCaffrey, 249. Peoples Jones to 75. Kalijah Lipscomb. All right, Vandy. All right, last pack. The GOAT on front. Love it. Del Pitt, Lamb, the GOAT, Barry, Rivers, Baker, Colton Sutton, not numbered. To 75. That's a good one. Jake Fromm for Georgia. Nice hit there. What are they doing, dude? Oh, my God. Noah, what up, buddy? Kyle, there you go, bud. Terrell Lewis. All right, recap. Jake Fromm, Lipscomb, Elway, Hasty, AJ, Wilcox, and Tony Brown. All right, guys. Anybody want a personal, let me know. Anybody want a personal, let me know. 175, they're going to go up. They're going to go up, boys. That Fromm is going to go higher than that. Guys, anybody want a personal? 175. I thought he was a stud last year. Jam, I didn't even check, buddy. Let me check. 175. They're 220 on blowout. They're going to go up tomorrow. I guarantee it. So, the CEO is in here, so... Jam, I got it. It came through. I got you. It's going to go up, boys. Personals are going to go up. $45 cheaper than blowout. So, Vod, I got you, buddy. 33072. Vods, good luck, bud. Anybody else wants a personal, go hit the site right now, guys. Make sure there's 5, though. Jimmy G, $2.99 to 75. Josh Kelly. Yeah, we do different breaks daily. Yep. Just hit the site, oneofonecardshop.com. Bunch of stuff on there. We're mainly based on Instagram, but also when Steve breaks, he is on YouTube and Instagram. Barry. This guy's all over this product. To 75, Cortland Sutton. To 49, A.J. Dillon. And to 99, Brian Herrion. These are $175 a box, guys. $220 on blowout. Only $175. Surprised they're not fucking selling quicker, to be honest. They're that cheap. That was a good pack. Yeah, they're on the site. Mad Hatter. Purchase through the site. It directs you to PayPal, buddy. Should make an account on the 101 site. You could order right through there. Weaver, Stidham, Debo, Colton Sutton again. Kyla to 199. To 199, Patrick Queen. No, we don't ship sealed. Verge. Ripped and shipped, kid. Ripped and shipped, bub. Kinlaw, Herbert, Jacoby, Gurley, Dak. Darius Slayton to 249. Tony Jones, he's in every fucking box. To 199, there you go. Moss's kid. Top blue, the Herbert. The Herbie Hancock. Last pack for VODs. Come on. Come on. 175 a box, guys. 220 on blowout. Go check if you don't believe me. See you later. CJ, Jalen Hurts, Ingram, Metcalf, Michelle, Terry McLaurin. Not numbered? No. Thought those were numbered. Last auto. T. Higgins. Nice. That kid's a stud. And Akawadam B. See ya. Recap VODs. T. Higgins, Herbert, Zach Moss to 199, Tony Jones, Patrick Queen, Sutton to 75, A.J. Dillon, Brian Harrion, and Josh Kelly. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, that wasn't bad, dude. That last auto was nice. Yeah. Oh, shit, Steve. Kelly Bryant? There you go. I thought it was someone else, so I was totally off. Say all that. Kelly Bryant. Wow. What a name. Guys, anybody else want a personal? Tomorrow there'll be more breaks. Today we're just going to end it on some personals. So anybody else want a personal? These are 175. These are 250. I believe these are 300 on blowout right now. Want to go big? I only have 5 of these left. Well, 2 left. I got 3 for breaks we're going to run tomorrow. So 2 of these left. And that's pretty much it. $175 a box, guys. Case is half gone. Oh, fuck. Two-door. I got you, buddy. Mighty Quinn. Did you send on PayPal or did you grab it through the site, buddy? Alright, I'm not seeing your payment, so. Send to the right PayPal. Make sure it's the right PayPal. 1 card shop 01 at gmail.com. PayPal's been acting slow, so I'll give it a few, and then I'll let you know if it comes through. Try and read. Still working, but JetBlue today, 5th fatality. So why was still working, I couldn't tell you, buddy. But yeah, shit's real, dude. City next to me is like one of the highest rated positives. Oh, it's pretty fucked up. But is what it is, bro. Try not to let it control my life, you know what I mean? Can't let it control our lives, man. Just be safe, be smart, be clean. What people weren't doing before, apparently. Fucking crazy. Yep, 2-door, I got you. All right, buddy. This is for 2-door, Gennaro. Good luck, bud. Oh, they're just in here so shitty, man. They package them terrible. Contenders, I do. I have 2 boxes left. There's your 5 packs. I have 40 seconds. So if you want Contenders, they're on the site. There's only 2 boxes left. I have 3 up for breaks. Those 3 breaks are going to run tomorrow. Going to give them a chance to fill up. We just posted them. Here's your 5 packs, brother. I'm going to refresh stream, all right? I'll be back in a second. See you later.